Alright guys, so before I start unboxing this truck, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll try to do a lot more RC cars, like bashing them around, do some reviews. So let's get into it. Alright, so I just picked this ARRMA Senton 4x4 3S BLX. Supposed to go 50 plus miles if you run it at 3S. It's a 110 scale brushless motor, short course truck. So let's see what's in it. And I think it comes in green, and it also comes in orange. I got the orange one personally. I like the orange better. I don't know, maybe you guys like the green. Orange looks cool for me. But let's see what's new with this truck. So it has easy access power module, super cool motor, heatsink, super tough metal gears. I guess we're gonna have to test that out. Has a EC5 connector and a Spectrum 2.4 remote receiver. Oh, that looks so good. This. Ooh, that sound. So it has these clips that are already attached to the body. So that's pretty cool. That way you don't lose them. Alright, what else we got? Nope, there's some paper. Oh, this is the remote. So we got the remote. It's your standard looking remote. All your trims, your settings. Then you got some paper. So then you got all these tools, so you can adjust the height on here. So I don't think there's screw-ons. So I don't think. Yeah, and these are not like your typical shocks where you just spin them. So I guess this is what you use to adjust them. Alright, so we're gonna be running a Dynamite Reaction 3S 5000 milliamp 50C. So we're gonna take it out to the track, do a couple laps, and then we're just gonna go find some big jumps and just bash it around and see how it holds up. So let's go. So we're at the local RC track, and we're just gonna do a couple laps and see how this thing handles.
Hold on. It's crazy, dude.